Hey, what's up guys, this is everybody from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞 and today Apple has released iOS 15.1 RC. Also, they have released candidate for iPad OS, Watch OS, TV OS and for Mac OS Monterey also. But in this video, we will talk about iOS 15.1 release candidate and what's new in it. So let's start with the size of the update, which is 5.46 GB on my iPhone 11. And the size depends on from which version you are coming from and also the device you are using. Now let's check the build number. So let's go to the settings, general, about, and here you can see that the build number is 19B74 and the modem firmware is same as iOS 15.1 beta 4. So there is no update in it. So let's see what's new in iOS 15.1. Let's start with SharePlay. As you know, SharePlay was gonna come in iOS 15, but later they had discontinued it and released it in iOS 15.1. Now, using SharePlay, you can watch movies, listen to music with your friends. At the same time, you can also share your screen with somebody. Also, we have changes in camera app for the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max. Now, inside of our camera settings, we have auto macro. It switches to the ultra wide camera, capture macro photos and videos, and now you get the option to turn that off. And we also have here the ProRes toggle here inside of settings as well, and you can see how much space everything will take up. Now in Apple Wallet, you can also add COVID-19 vaccination card that allows you to present it as a verified vaccination information to malls, business meetings, etc. Also now Translate app supports Mandarin Chinese language. Just type it anything and choose here Chinese Mandarin and you will get it translated. Also there are some bug fixes in iOS 15.1. Some were having issues in Photos app that it shows storage full when importing photos and videos. That has been fixed in this update. Also now Weather app was little buggy, that it sometimes doesn't show current temperature for my location and also it shows wrong animation colors. These have been fixed now in iOS 15.1. And even if Wi-Fi networks are available, they are now showing properly. In iPhone 12, battery algorithm has been fixed. Now it shows better estimate battery capacity over time. Now that's all for the iOS 15.1 release candidate. Now we can expect to see the final release of iOS 15.1 in the next week, most likely on the 25th, or it could even come later next week. And after the final release of iOS 15.1, we can expect iOS 15.2 beta 1 in the coming week. And if you want to stop testing beta, just delete the profile from your device and you will get the public releases only. So that's all the new features, updates and bug fixes in iOS 15.1 release candidate. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. And now I will see you on the next one. Peace.